Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, in an unprecedented occurrence, 2 of the 10 races on Saturday's program at Caymanas Park were abandoned due to a breach of the racing rules. This overshadowed the proceedings on the day, which had been dedicated to veterinarians. Races 1 and 6 on Saturday's program were abandoned due to what Chief Steward Antoine Nemhard said was a violation of the recently implemented JRC rule, where no race shall go off later than 5 minutes after the advertised post time without the permission of the stewards. After the 6th event was abandoned, enraged stakeholders demanded an explanation from the stewards, but none was forthcoming. Trainer Vincent Atkinson weighed in on the dramatic development.
So what I tend to find is that the Racing Commission is now enforcing the rules that says the race has to run on time. And because it's not running on time, they have to enforce it. It's not good for the promoters at the same time because they make more money the later the race take to run.
Meanwhile, the 4-5 favorite Rhythm Buzz under champion jockey Ryan Lewis for trainer Vincent Atkinson scored a convincing victory in the feature event, the Legal Light Trophy for open allowance runners over 9 furlongs and 25 yards. It was actually the second choice further and beyond with title-chasing jockey Radish Roman that made most of the running before being overtaken by Rhythm Buzz in deep stretch.
They're about to come into the lane and out in front further and beyond. Caught now by a Rhythm Buzz kicking in on the outside, and Rhythm Buzz now takes charge at the top of the lane. Further and beyond, does he have anything left as they arrive at the final 3/16th? And Rhythm Buzz now begins to assert and begins to pull away further and beyond the closest pursuer. The rest are all out of it, but they've left the furlong pole. This is the Legal Light Trophy, and it's all over. Rhythm Buzz, Ray and Lewis are romping it and beginning to go further and further away from further and beyond. Rhythm Buzz wins it by maybe 8. Further and beyond is second. It's going to be tight. Green Gold Rush and Stomp the Rhythm go by together. Big Daddy making ground is last.
The 4-year-old Bay Colt, who was recording his 3rd consecutive victory, came home in a minute 57 and 3/5 of a second, winning by 9 1/4 lengths.
He's as simple as he can prepare. He's sound. He stays sound. So that's the greatest thing with a horse. And just keeping him happy and managing him, and everything is good with him. Well, now we're going up in year class, so we'll see how that one works out. But he's looking good today. So we'll see what's going on in the future with him. I expect good things, so we'll continue going.
Champion trainer Jason Acosta saddled 3 winners, while leading jockey Tevin Foster had a double. Racing continues on Sunday with a 10-race card starting at noon.